actually, there's a theological power here. And this speaks to us about a God who brings order out of chaos. That's the message that the author is wanting us to get.
The gospel choir were absolutely fantastic. Something we're not sort of really used to, that style of music and worship. And it's been absolutely stunning, absolutely fantastic.
Welcome to Bazooka Zoo! Awesome has been so much fun. We've been doing crafts, games, we've been hearing stories about Jesus. It's just been, an absolute awesome weekend. We've been doing a sketch about an Australian zookeeper, and that's been really fun to do. So I get to chase basically people around the stage. That's been really, really fun. So we've been looking at Eden Restored. So we've been looking at the reconciliation between God and humans, and what that looks like for the kids to go back to their schools and their families, how they can make these decisions that actually mean that they can love people better and they can love Jesus better. It's just been really, really practical for them, so they can take these tools back to be able to use in their everyday contexts.
Yeah, so my name's Tom and I've been working in the Fusion venue all weekend. It's been great fun. We've had about 60 kids throughout the weekend, so it's been very busy, very warm in the tent, but we've had a great time. We've also made the leaders do forfeits, so I was dressed as a baby all day yesterday. In our venue, we've been looking at like original against fake, so authentic, what the Garden of Eden was like originally, and we've been looking at how we can be authentic in the contemporary culture that we're in now. And I'm really grateful for the worship team we've had in as well this year. They've been great.
Eden Restored, going back, restoring relationships, reconciliation. I think that's what I've got out of all of the lectures that we've had on Eden Restored this weekend. It's been going back to the beginning and looking at what we can do to restore our Eden and finding our Eden in this place.
Getting to meet the people, conversate with the people, see and hear their journeys with Christ, their journeys with others, and just share that together. I think that's been one of the most enjoyable things for me.
The Cliff Labyrinth has been lit this year, so not only during the day can you walk it, in the evening it's been lit by solar panels and solar lights, which means that it's a wonderful experience in the dark to be guided by the light of God as you go into the centre of the labyrinth.